In this video, we're going to talk about Done For You Offers page. Really cool software. Now, to get this one, you have to pick up the Whitelaelify Pro Edition, and you also get another software that is called Pro Ads, okay, which is the upgrade of simple ads. So it's going to give you 8 products to sell instead of 6, and these are white label, so you can brand them as well. Okay, let's go ahead and get logged in. As you can see, I call mine Product Hub. The original name is right here, Done For You Offers page, okay? But your customers won't see this if you hook up your own domain, okay? If you have hosting already with another website, you can use a private domain as I show you in the training. But let's go ahead and get logged in. Okay, so on the dashboard here, this is the dashboard tab that we're on. So we're going to see a few things. Active offers, so I have one offer. So you want to think about offer as an actual page, a shop, or a store, whatever you want to call it, okay? So it's going to be one page that has a bunch of products on it that you put. Or you could have one product, it's up to you. But I mean, the definition of a store is multiple products, right? So you could put all your affiliate products in one store, which is really cool because you could save money by spending on traffic that's just going to come to one place instead of trying to, buy traffic and send it over here, and whatnot. Put your products niched, specific in each store, and then send that traffic to that one store where you can make multiple sales, right? Instead of just trying to promote one product at a time, you could promote a bunch of products related to that specific niche. For example, in here, I have list building niche, okay? I only have 3 products right now, but just to show you how to set it up and how it works, but to give you a general idea, right? So you can see I have 3 products. And right here, you have today's page views and you have total page views, okay? So you're going to see top 5 offer pages by today's views. So we only have one offer in here, but the more you create in here, this is going to propagate as time goes by, right? So yeah, this is the dashboard. Okay, let's take a look at the left-hand menu here. So you have this little toggle switch. This just makes more real estate on your screen. So it's going to minimize the little sidebar, okay? All right, so again, this is the dashboard. We have build new offer. Again, think about offer as pages or stores or shops. You have my offers, link tracking. You can track links in here. You can manage your links right here or add a new link, okay? And of course, you have logout. So let's go over these. So before we get into build a new offer, let's just take a look at what I have already in here. So let's go to my offers. Okay, so I have one, it's called list building products. Okay, that's my niche. So everything in this little shop is going to be pertaining to list building, okay, email marketing. So this is the link if I wanted to check it out. But I'm going to go ahead and click here to manage so you can see what's inside. Okay, so we got a few things in here. This is our page. We can go ahead and click here to view it to see what it looks like. So let's do that. Okay. So I have a timer in here, little message, and 3 products that you can look at, okay? Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and close that up. Okay, so let's go over the tabs right here in each one and what they're for, okay? So the products tab right here, you can do a few things. It shows your products, right? You can remove a product, you can edit or update a product. You can edit a category, which is this right here. This is my category, list building products. And you can add a new product to this category, okay? Or you can add another category. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and edit this. Instead of saying list building products, I'm going to make this category email swipes, okay? So let me go ahead and edit this. Okay, and confirm it. So now we have that. Let's go ahead now and add a new category. So let's name this one. Let's say email marketing ebooks. All right. Confirm that. If I scroll down a little bit, now we can see 2 categories, email swipes up here and email marketing ebooks. What we're going to do here is put these in the proper categories. Okay, so right here I have email fire 2 and email fire 3. So they're going to stay in the email swipes because these are email swipes. But this one, Secret Email System, is an actual ebook. So I want to bring this one into this category, okay? I can't just drag it and drop it. That would be pretty cool. But so what I'm going to have to do is add it in here. But before I remove it from here, what I want to do is copy the information so I don't have to go back and find it and take a little bit more time than I need to. So what I'm going to do is I created a text doc right here. I'm going to bring that in. It's going to be off to the side right here in this monitor. And I just want to edit this product here so I can get to my details. All right, I'm just going to copy this and paste it over here. That way I can have all the details that I need, and I can just paste that in real quick for you. So these price points, the price is what it's going to be now. And this is the old price. So if you're doing like a sale, you could use this method where it'll strike out the 37 and show what it is now. So it can show like it's on sale, a little bit of scarcity tactic. But you don't have to put this in if you don't want to. It's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to confirm the update here. Okay, now I need to go back to my offers page again. And now I can remove it. Okay. Alrighty, so let's go down here to the email marketing books and let's add that new product. So I'm just going to copy all this over here, guys, and paste it in. So I have this image on my server, on my website, so I'm using my image, but if you don't have a website or whatnot, you could choose the image and upload it, okay, from whatever vendor that it's for. You could get the image from them or from their website. All right, and confirm. So now we have it in its original category, so that's great. All right, so let's see what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and preview this. All right, let's take a look. So we have email swipes and email marketing ebooks. Cool, cool. So it's good to go. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you add a product in here into different categories. So pretty cool. And I would recommend setting up a little text doc like this for all your products. Put the title in there. Okay, you want to put what the image is, or you could upload an image, and then put where you want this to go when they click the buy button. Okay, this could be your affiliate link. But what I recommend doing is to go ahead and send them to an opt-in page. Okay, that way you can collect that email address because you're sending traffic to these little shops, right? And you want to collect as many email addresses as you can so you can follow up with them with these products that are in the store, okay? So that's what I recommend doing, sending them to an opt-in page first, and then send them to the affiliate offer, all right? Or to a bonus page, which would be even better, but make sure you get that email first. Then if they go to your bonus page, you got some extra bonuses, which is a good incentive to get them to buy that product that they were interested in. Okay, so that's how you do that. So let me show you right quick now how to build a new offer. Okay, so you click this button. So when you're setting up a new offer page, you don't want to use the same domain that you just used because it won't create the page. You'll go through all the steps, but it just won't create it, okay? So what we're going to do here, let's say we're in a totally different niche. So each store would be its own niche, okay? It could be in the same market, but it has to be its own sub-niche. So let's say we wanted to do health and fitness. So for this subdomain, I would use something like, I don't know, building muscle. And I'm going to name it that. And my offer name is going to be building muscle. And the page title as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click next. So you can choose a template. You don't have to use these templates, guys, but you have to choose one to have something to start with, okay? So none of these really match the niche that I'm in. So I'm just going to pick style 1 here and go ahead and click next. Okay, you have to click I agree with the terms and conditions. Then go ahead and click finish. Okay, so now we have building muscle. So let's have a look. Okay, we need to add a category first of all. So let's say muscle building and confirm that. Okay, so now I have my category. Now I need to add a product. Now I don't have a product for this. And to save some time, I'm not going to go through that, but you know how to add a product we just showed you. So let's go back over here, okay? We're going to go back to my offers because I want to go through the rest of the tabs. So let's go to list building products. Okay, let's go to the settings tab and check this out. So we have general settings here, list building products. I have my keywords that I added in. So you have header features right here, so you can embed a video if you want to on your page. Okay, so right here you have the logo image URL. So you can see I'm hosting this on my own website. So you don't have the ability to upload a logo here, But of course, I showed you that you do have the ability to upload the products that you're going to be promoting the image of that, okay? And you could put some additional settings in here. So page description, I put a place to find all things related to email marketing products and training. You also could put a custom footer text if you want to. Okay, let's check out the next tab. So customization. Okay, so this is where your header image is. So the header image size is 1920 by 600. So if you have your own designer and you want them to create you a custom header for your store, you can do that. So we're using the default header image, but we do have options. We could choose custom header image here. As you can see, I got mine in place. So this is hosted on my site, RonnieRocksmith.com. And so again, you can only use the header image URL from your own website, right? You can't upload it inside here. You can only upload the product images, okay? So just to let you know there. But you can also, if you don't want a header, you can also disable the header image if you want to, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and leave the custom image header because when we just looked at the page, you saw it didn't have one. So let me just show you what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and save changes here. And let's go to view. Okay, so this is what it would look like. This is a custom image header that I made. And of course, this is the logo that I created for my little store here. So this and the header is actually hosted on my own website. I'm just using the image URL, okay? So again, you can disable that if you want to. So let me do that again and save changes. And go ahead and view that. And so now we just see the logo, okay? So however you want to set that up. All right, so the next thing is your text settings. Okay, so color background is black right now, so you have control over that if you want to. You can change the background color of your page. You can also choose the buttons. So right now I'm using blue and there's nothing in it. It's showing blue here, but this is actually nothing. So it's going to be white as default. Okay. Product section is white as well. That's the color behind the product image. So as you can see, the background color is white, text color is white. So pretty cool. In the customization tab here, templates. Again, you could choose what style of template you want. Only a few templates in here right now. We'll be adding more as time goes by. So as you can see, these are mostly like things you might want to be using to sell phones from Amazon or watches from Amazon with these two templates. But like I said, you could customize these any way you want, guys. So if you just like this nice orange color, you can disable this header image and just use that. If you like just the white color here, you could disable that header and just use this. Same thing with the light blue. So it just gives you a few options to use, right? You got the black background already set for you, white background right here. So let's go through the next tab here, social share. Okay, so in the social share here, if you're signed up to any one of these sites, which I recommend having an account with all of them, you could just click these links and share your little store here, right? And just tweet it out if you're using Twitter or whatever. So pretty cool there. Okay, the next one is your statistics. So this will give you an overview of everything here. You have custom settings. Okay, so here's your domain settings. So if you wanted to really brand yourself 100%, you could use your own private domain, okay? So you simply add an A record pointing to this URL right here, and that's going to set that up. If you don't know how to do this, just talk to your tech person and they can do it for you. Okay, for me, so for instance, I would be using usadigi.com, but right now I'm only using the subdomain right here, okay? Good enough for me. Let's check out this social media integration. So you have your Facebook pixel code you can add in here, your Google AdWords code you can add here, and Google Analytics code right here. So if you want to do any kind of remarketing, you could do that, retargeting ads and whatnot for Google. You can do all that by having that on your page so you can get those cookies from those people so you can retarget to them, okay? And the last thing here, you have export pages. So if you wanted to export the offer page to an HTML file and put it on your own website, you could do that as well. So that's available here. Okay, and then last we have modules. So this is your cookie consent bar that's enabled. You have a countdown timer, so we have that enabled right now on the page. You could choose to disable it if you want to, or you can enable it by days if you want to have a specific sale, okay? Right now we have it on evergreen, so that's just running consistently. It's going to restart. And you could also set up push crew if you're using that notification platform, okay? So remember though, after you set all these custom settings up, you want to make sure to click Save Changes, so that's going to take effect. All right? Okay, so let's go over the last tab here, the link tracking tab. So to add a new link, you would go ahead and click on Add a New Link. Go ahead and fill in the product. So this is like if you're using Amazon where you can't track your links. Amazon will give you a redirect URL link. You put that in here and you go ahead and submit it, okay? Okay, so whenever you set that up, you want to go to Manage Links, and you can see everything in here. I'm just using a URL for my bonus page right quick. But you can see right here, it'll show you how many clicks you're getting when you created it and whatnot. So pretty cool little feature that can help you out if you need to track links, right? Okay, so that's going to wrap up this video training on Done For You Offers page.